Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Yellow color, red color, pink color, brown color, dark blue color, sky blue color, black color and orange color. Let's start. Light green color, light green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hat. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video. Till then, bye.